built the whole build for around $500. It's basically beginner level.
All right.
I have a 15-year-old son who is just getting into it.
Okay.
So we basically built the whole build for around $500. Come on, there we go.
This is a single 12?
It is. It is
All
the
right.
NVX VCW 12.2 V3.
All right.
We just upgraded from the V2 about a week ago.
Okay. Port right there.
Yep. It's basically all Autotech other than
Okay.
the sub. It's got the Autotech coaxials in the front
All right.
and the center panel, and then it's got the component sets in the front doors and rear.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High. Wattage on this?
It is, I've got a cheat sheet.
It's okay.
Yeah, here's my cheat sheet.
Oh, there we go. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What made y'all go with the 12 over a 15? Just curious.
Honest truth, I have a 15-year-old playing football.
All right.
And so I told him, you've got to give me enough room to be able to fit a football gear bag.
Okay. That 12 inch is perfect for that.
Yep,
then.
it is. Yeah, by the time my son decided to get into it, my husband's like, go ahead and get into it too.
All right.
He ran about 20 years ago and competed, and so now
Okay.
that we've got drivers,
Yeah.
he's up to do it again.
Yep. Your vehicle, CRX?
Yes,
Okay. Where y'all from?
Martinsville.
All right.
As of right now, the last time we metered it, it did a 142.2. And of course, that's with all the panels over it, really choking down the airflow.
Yeah.
It's tuned to 33 hertz. It's about 1.8 cubic feet of airspace in the box.
Okay.
We recently swapped the sub out from the MVX VCW V212 to the V312.
Okay.
And of course, on meter, everything's different than what you feel. It feels better, but we haven't metered it yet.
Got it. Okay.
This was built as a budget-minded car for like your high school kids.
Yeah. She said you had like $500 in it.
Yeah.
That's pretty
Full
good.
retail cost, brand new, everything. It's about $500. The amps, speakers in the doors, sub, everything.
That's
So,
awesome. That's awesome. And y'all built this?
Yeah. Which I've been doing stereo since 2004. The team that I was part of back then.
Yeah.
Of course, that was big time USAC days. We were one of the first teams to break the 160 in a stock car class.
Okay. Yeah. And something like this?
It was actually in my old CRX.
Okay. They say these are cheater vehicles, I think, in a way.
They
Not
say
really,
they are,
yeah.
but truthfully, now for the time, the CRX was the cheater vehicle,
Okay.
but the hatchbacks were louder.
Got it. Okay.
The only thing is with the CRX, there's no back seat.
Yeah.
The way USAC rules were set up back then, everything had to be either behind the back seat or behind the B pillar. So in the hatchbacks, you had to be able to fold the seat up.
Got it.
I ran low classes like 301 to 900
Okay.
and was doing like a 152.3
Nice.
with one Hyphonics Brutus 1800.
Yep. Okay.
So, and been with Maxsonic since then. From 2005 to 2007, I was actually part of Team Maxsonics.
Okay.
Got married, had kids, got out of it, and then the kids got into it, which brought me back into it. And since then, I've working back with Maxsonics again. I've formed relationships with MBX and JS Alternators, who was here today. So it's been a blast.
All right. Cool, man.
So,
Nice. Well, the last question is, have you tried I know sub up, port back, with the port being so close to the back, have y'all considered putting port up?
no. And this just goes back to the older days. We did so much testing back then.
Yep.
Of giving it more space between the back and the port.
Okay.
Now this was for pure SPL back then.
Yep.
Those boxes were tuned 60 hertz and up.
Oh, yeah.
We were actually doing better back then, shoving them as far back as we could.
Closer to the back hatch. That helped for the loading. Got it. Okay.
So that was how we finally broke the 60, was shoving it all the way
That's
back.
pretty cool how loud you got for a budget system like this. So.
Yeah, like I said, I feel like if we pulled all the beauty panels off and with the sub that now has the more excursion, I feel like it could probably get to about a 145. I really do. I know those panels are really choking it down.
What
Which
are
is
these?
why the screen material is in it.
She didn't know the specs on these.
Okay. The Mean Machine 3025.1 is the amp on the subs. With box rods, it's probably doing anywhere between 1300 to 1500 watts.
Okay.
So, nothing special.
That's your 4-channel?
Yeah, 4-channel highs amp.
All right. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Japan, yeah, the 10 pounds of bass. Milk dollars make sense while you ride the bench. Japan, yeah, the 10 pounds of bass. Milk dollars make sense while you ride the bench. Take it off for a throw. You can't come and then let it so bad.
Thank you for showing me.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like it. Single 12.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for showing me. Your name?
Jessica.
Yeah, sounds good. Your name?
Aaron Carroll.
Okay. Jacob Vile, man. You have a good day.